Public Transport Victoria handles the transport options within the City of Melbourne and as well as the wider state of Victoria. It covers the bus, trams, and trains systems within the state itself. You can purchase your MyKey card, and this card is going to be used across all different transportations within the state. You can buy this on the different train stations, and you can use this across different modes of transportation. As compared to the free trams within the city, your train fares are charged according to the number of zones that your travel covers. That means that the farther you go, the higher zones you cover, and the higher fare you are being charged to. The famous boxes of Brighton Beach are located in between two train stations, Middle Brighton and Brighton Beach. Either way, it's going to be a kilometer of walk heading from either stations. The Brighton Beach boxes are nestled in front of Port Phillip Bay. It initially started with a few mini houses some years back, but now there's roughly more than 80 colorful bathing boxes available. What's nice is that all of them were built uniformly, but the main difference is each box has its own character and color splash. The National Gallery of Victoria, or popularly known as NGV, is one of Melbourne's finest art museums, and it was founded more than 60 years ago. It houses and features different exhibits both from local and internationally renowned artists. As a matter of fact, it was Pablo Picasso's work that was on display when I visited this place. The State Library of Victoria is one of Melbourne's must-see places, and this video of the insides of its library says it all. It's just located in Swanson Street, which is still part of a free tram zone area, so it's highly accessible and worth the visit. They've also got this cool Craft and Code Star interactive exhibit, where you can select your own constellation on the computer screen, and the big tapestry in front of you will show you the display of where it is. How cool and great of a learning experience is this, right? It was also a perfect timing to have watched the Harry Potter and the Cursed Child at the Princess Theatre. It was mind-blowing and full of magic tricks the whole night inside the theatre.